Hello guys, welcome to the video. This is a Costco haul that you wanted because I got a couple messages on Instagram like DM like please do it, and I just came back from the big haul. As always, every time I go out of Costco I look like this, and people think that I have 5 kids. Sometimes I buy double or triple just to have it. We do also sprouts, and we just added the farmers market, so we eat very good, very good quality. So that's why I'm gonna be attaching the prices, and you tell me what you think about it. I'm very curious how much you spent, what you think about those prices, what you think about this quality, and if you want to try anything from that, I would be very happy, because again, all these choices are Alma approved. That means that it's healthy, no sugar, no something. So let's get to it. Number one, well, this is laundry. This is a huge thing. Honestly, I like a couple ones from Amazon that smell really good, like with essential oils and stuff, but this one is not bad at all. Just have it for like big loads, and it's very good quality, and it's a very good price. You must know that I am addicted to drinks. Like I like to have good quality drinks in my car, in my house. I just like to drink, not particularly water, but could be water. Like beverages, very healthy, that's my thing. So carbonated water, grapefruit juice, lemon juice, so this is pretty convenient. I don't like a lot of carbonated water, but sometimes it does a good job, especially for digestion. Kombucha, very good quality, and I like the 8-pack. Usually I was buying like 2 for 5, I think, so highly recommended. This is the new one. No sugar remains after Liquid Remedies traditional long-aged fermentation. So initially it had a little bit of sugar, and then sugar is gone. So I'm gonna try it. Let's see. And the only one thing, it was not refrigerated, so I was like, let's see about the quality, because I feel like kombucha should be refrigerated, you know what I mean? But we'll see. Harmless Harvest organic coconut water, and just the sparkling water. Actually, let's try it right now. Ooh, okay. Cheers. This is really good. So it's not that sweet as usual coconut water. I'll show you right now, but it's more refreshing, crispy. Coconut water, the actual one, and I like the Kirkland one. Again, it's just coconut water. When you look at the ingredients, please make sure that's only coconut water, no sugar, no I don't know, anything else, just coconut water, because that's how it should be. Same company, actually, the Harmless Harvest has also coconut water without sparkling water, and I like it a lot. But remember, if you fast, that actually breaks your fast. So what I do, I usually drink coconut water around my meal. Means like before, after, during, because that's pretty much 100 calories, 90 calories. So you know what I mean? You break the fast. It's not much. If you really hungry, you want to eat, you don't have anything to eat, but you have coconut water, sure. But just so you know, it's not water, okay? The carbonated water is the water, but this is not water. This is a meal. Bread. So this is Canyon Bakehouse multi-grain, whole grain, but this is dairy, soy, and nut free. It has a little bit of sugar, okay, because it's very hard to find the bread without sugar, which is gluten-free and healthy, but I use it very little, not even every day. So again, try it. I really like how my stomach reacts on it, because a lot of times if I eat gluten-free fancy products, I feel it in my gut, because it means that it has a lot of other stuff that just hurt my stomach. So this is pretty clean. I like it. I love dried fruits. I know that dried fruits have a lot of sugar naturally, even though I buy the ones without sugar, and this is essential because imagine you buy the dried fruit that has sugar in it, it's just a bump. That's too much. So please make sure. And the ones that I really like, especially like after workout or after a meal, they have their own good stuff in it. Like let's say the pineapple, it's really good for digestion. So I buy this one, and after like a big meal, especially in the evening, I like to have like couple pieces, just couple, it's not many calories. And this is organic dried pineapple. Again, this is for me, but if you have problems with your blood sugar, or if you, the other way, if you're a man and you eat a lot, please eat it. It's really good for you. It's just a fruit. So as for me, I am okay with fruits, with dried fruits. Just, of course, you have to know that too much is too much. Dried mangoes, always I take it on the road when I go to LA. It's like my snack around the meal. Again, encouraging you to have those treats not as a snack but the actual meal, so together like a dessert, right? You eat the actual meal and then you have a little bit of mango. That works. But if you just snack in with mango, I'm sorry, that's not gonna work. You know what I mean? This is a new one. Never tried. Sweet potato sticks. Looks really good. Ingredients: organic sweet potato. So I like it. It looks really good. I'll let you know how it is maybe in stories, but I'm sure it's really good. This one I tried, actually they had a presentation and it's so good. It's very easy to make it yourself. It's figs and walnuts. That's it. So it just blended, and you know, they made a little circles of it, or like a little bars. No sugar added, a lot of fiber. Figs have a lot of sugar, but again, you know when to use it. The most important to know when it is appropriate to eat this type of food. Like I wouldn't prefer to eat it in the morning, like first thing in the morning, of course, because your blood sugar will skyrocket and then drop in 2 hours. You're gonna feel like very tired. But this is a good product. Just nuts. I have all kinds of nuts. Walnuts, very good for snacking around your meal, or if you're really hungry. Like I like those functional foods that you can take on the road. You can take it like even when it's very hot outside, and you just have it somewhere in the car. So I'm this kind of girl that has everything prepared just in case, and nuts is the way to go. If you're really hungry, that's the best. Another amazing product, superfood smoothie. It's a little pricey. It's like 17-18 bucks for, how much is that? 12. So count yourself. For me, it's worth it, because again, I'll show you. This is amazing. Like you know how much I love smoothies. First of all, smoothies is like the best food ever for you. Has everything. You can put so many amazing products in it. Just blend it and drink it, and you have it all done, instead of like, you know, trying to find them all during the day and make sure that you have, like, let's say turmeric. I try to take turmeric every day as a powder, and I keep forgetting, but then one day I decided I make smoothie every day with turmeric. I put it there. I'll show you. It's right there. Actually, my beautiful storage. I got like this year, I just got crazy about like storage. I want to make everything very comfortable, everything very ecologically, right? You know what I mean? Like, yeah. Turmeric and ashwagandha. So these are and maca. I have maca. It's coming actually today. These products, I just like I put them in smoothies. So now listen. This is smoothie. Looks amazing for your kids, if you have kids, or if you just have yourself, husband, whatever. Very comfortable to take it on the road, to take it to your car. It doesn't need to be chilled. No refrigeration needed, but try chilled. Like chilled is of course good in the refrigerator, but it doesn't need it. So that's what I like. I take it on the road when it's 120 degrees in Vegas, and it does amazing job. And it has everything. It has banana, strawberry, pineapple juice, brown rice protein, flax seeds, tapioca fiber, lemon juice, camu camu. Hello. So this is like my, I don't care how much it costs. It's just such a blessing to have this product. Noka, please, can you please contact me and we're gonna work together, because this is one of the best products I've ever found for myself. Almond butter, also. Almond butter, organic, also my thing. I know there is a lot of yes and no about fighting about organic or not organic. Listen, this is my statement. I would rather do that, and maybe it's a little better than non-organic, but that's my choice. Also, like a lot of times people fighting about quality in America, saying that organic is not that organic as we think. Doesn't matter to me. I choose this and this is how I live, but this product is amazing. Triple berry blend, organic of course. Dragon fruit, mango, passion fruit blend. I'm gonna link actually the video about the smoothie, how I do it. Maybe we can do it together, actually, the video, if you want. Let me know if you want a video about smoothie. So I have all these different fruits, all these different greens in my refrigerator, sometimes less, sometimes more, and every morning I just choose intentionally what I want to put, or I just try to mix, because you can mix all of them, it's okay, but I usually do like banana is my base, greens, and then any of those mixed berries or mixed other fruits. Bananas organic, I have like three pack. Besides frozen, which are very convenient, I buy also the fresh ones. So I know that it's gonna be like for a couple days, right? 3-4 days for smoothies, or we're gonna eat it with the yogurt probably, which I buy not in Costco because they don't have a good one. But yeah, they have a lot of good fruits, honestly. If you don't go to the market, farmer's market, you can buy a lot of fruits in Costco. The problem is that the sizes are big, and if you have a lot of people in your family, it works, but if you have two, that's not enough. And the greens, we started to order from farmers market greens, so we'll see how it works, but I like to have, just in case, greens for smoothie one and salad at the evening. That's a lot of greens. And again, a lot of people fighting about it. Please don't tell me anything, because I think greens are essential. Nobody's gonna fight me on that. I don't know why I said that. I'm absorbing so much information about like you should have, or you shouldn't, especially on Instagram with all the New Year's resolutions, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, just let me live my life. And I know that you probably feel that way also. So I'm just showing my life, you know what I mean? I don't want anybody to tell me, oh, this is actually not right, because I don't know what is right. We honestly don't know what is right about anything in this world. We know that it's right to keep living our life and just exploring what's going on, but if this avocado will kill you, I don't know. I do avocado toast. You can put it in a smoothie. Must have cucumbers, obviously organic, everything organic. Next, this is smoked Atlantic salmon, and this is a new product. I really like that it's from Europe, so it's not American salmon, and that already gives me a lot of information about the quality. But unfortunately, it's not wild, which makes me very sad, because now there is no other salmon smoked or like hot smoked or cold smoked that is wild in Costco. So you think for yourself. I'm gonna try it. I'll see how it is, because you can see it, right? You can see that it's not wild. I wanted to try it, but again, that's not wild, and I would like to have wild. We'll see, maybe next time I'll find it and I'll link it somewhere in stories that I found it. It's back. And the fish that I usually buy, the frozen one, is the salmon, wild Alaskan wild caught. Then we have the Pacific cod and shrimps. I wanted to say shrimps, and that's all I buy, honestly, if we're talking about fish. Nothing else. And as you know, we don't eat meat, so no red meat in our house. Forgot about white mushrooms. White mushrooms are amazing. A little bit of protein, but still something, and I love mushrooms. They didn't have the actual organic eggs today, but quail eggs, tomato paste, And again, please look at the ingredients, because a lot of times they use actual seed oils, and this is just very bad. This one is olive oil. It has a little bit of sugar. It has 2 grams for the whole thing, this thing. So it has some sugar. I think that's a preservative, because I can keep them like years and years long. I didn't see the one without sugar in Costco. If you know, let me know. My favorite, vital protein, and that's probably all that I have from the beef, from the cow. I do use collagen every morning with my matcha. This is my ritual. I love this. Is chocolate flavor. It's just, it does taste so good. And the price is so much better in Costco. Like if you go to Sprouts or any other stores, you're gonna see the difference. So that's why I just buy a couple and I have them. I think this is it with all the products, honestly. The only thing I want to show you right now, the products that, like new ones I bought, if you're interested. Apparently, Costco has new Korean cosmetics, and that's amazing, honestly. Very good prices too. So this one is Bean Essence, which in antioxidants, boosts collagen, maintains elasticity, hydrates, and calms irritation. And as always, Yuka told me that it's 100 out of 100. Honestly, could be the thing that is just empty, kinda. You know, they tell you that, oh, it's this and that, but I'm not sure. I want to try it, so as always, I'm gonna let you know on Instagram probably. I like to try healthy products, you know, just try it. That's my hobby. So I'll let you know. I think it's pretty cool. And the other one, they had like 5 different ones. And this one is Dive In Serum. This is the actual hyaluronic acid. So we know all the properties of that. A lot of different ingredients here. Honestly, the ingredients, like a lot. So again, we'll see. It's a very good price. I just can't believe that it's like this thing is $10 or $12. So I'll let you know. I like that Costco gets better and better. That's for sure. It has a lot of good deals, a lot of good products. So for me, it's just a therapy to go around and look for nice stuff. I try to be very quick. Like I give myself an hour. That's all I can do, because you can be lost there for a whole day, obviously, especially girls, you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm trying. Oh, another thing, wait a second, the candle. Look at this beauty. I love candles. And this is again essential oil. Look, it's so beautiful, right? Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. Honestly, I couldn't open it. I remember because they had like 3 different flavors. Like black was, I don't remember. Rose, for sure. The red was rose. The black was something, and this was white. And I just wanted white for the house, but I didn't know how it smells. And it says ocean mist, which says everything, but I didn't know how it smells. Wow, that was like 25, I think. Right here. It's good. Wow, it's really good. You see, the prices are amazing. I'm just so happy. I don't know, maybe I'm a little shopaholic, but I think this is a good deal. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know what you think, if it was helpful, if you need any other information. I'm gonna do probably another video like Trader Joe's. It's a very interesting one. Let me know what you need. I'm here for you. We're gonna do a lot of other stuff. I hope you have a interesting, amazing, challenging, but also calm at the evening day. I'll see you in the next one.